All right, how to use the surface cleaner for a power wash system. Okay, we're over here in Austin, Texas. So as you can see, we're just going up and down the driveway, overlapping a little bit on each line that we're going up and down in. So, of course, when you're in the Texas sun, it's hard to see the line sometimes. So sometimes you're just going over it so slowly you don't even see that line. But gradually you see the difference as a whole. And certain things, of course, you cannot see from this distance is little special areas. There was a lid, two lids actually, with a metal engraving. Maybe it was for the water. I haven't seen that on a driver yet, but there's a first time for that. So I saw that, those two lids, and I went over that just very carefully twice because I saw there was dirt around the edges of the lid. So I'll be over there by the top doing the edges of the lid. And this shows you how I just go back and forth a little piece over there. And then I continue going up and down the line. So if you see something, of course, spot treatment, you want to go over that carefully before you forget. Because even though this may not seem as a big driveway, when you're there, yes, it is a big driveway. So it goes all the way down. So even though you could fit a few cars there, it's a long driveway. So I guess that's the difference there with that. It's not super wide, but it's pretty long. And as you can see, I go up and down the lines overlapping again. See over here, I saw something. If you see something, just take care of it right away, because later on you might miss it, or you'll have already switched to the next step, and that next step would be the power turbo nozzle. So the turbo nozzle, just basically you should be rinsing it clean, but you could use that also to work on any spots that you see. For example, on the edges, the turbo nozzle is great. On the edges of the driveway, so maybe there's a little piece, even though you went over with the surface cleaner, maybe you're not seeing that little darkened piece that you want to look nice. Right by the edge of the grass is what I'm talking about. So that area right by the edge of the grass, you want to make sure that that's clean. Sometimes there's grass overlapping it, so you may have to go over that again with the surface cleaner while you're passing through it. But you definitely don't want to go back and forth, surface cleaner, turbo nozzle. It should be one time with the surface cleaner, then the turbo nozzle to rinse it off and touch up any details. And as you can see, we're almost done with this driveway. So this is in Austin, Texas, guys. And I wish everyone a great day. Talk to you guys very soon.